You're watching MokenchiTV.
Good morning, MVPs. It's Moki, and I've just come outside to water the garden. There she is. There again. Oh, more tomatoes, you guys. Look. More tomatoes on this one. That one's getting bigger. Oh, well, I tried to transplant them, but whatever came in just tore up even more of our garden. Chewing on wood. Just chewing on the wood. Let's pull that one out. It's pulled the watermelon out. I think it's, I don't know. And it's something, because that board's chewed up. I'm wondering if it's a dog or something bigger. The only reason why I'm questioning if it's a dog, why would a dog drag this plant from over there to here? But like the plants aren't eating at the same time, so I'm confused. Now it's just gonna, it's digging up right there in between here. So whatever was tearing up our garden apparently came back for more to do more damage. And it's tore all that up. And then what gets me is it's coming around this plant, but it's tearing that one up. And it dragged, wait, no. Yeah, it dragged this, it dragged that one from over there. And then this one is the one that goes here. Whatever it is, it's an animal, definitely animal. What it's looking for is the worms and the ants, not the plants. That's why it's digging up the soil. There's no damage done to the plants. The plants are just uprooted. And I realized that because there was a worm, a half-eaten worm in one of the areas that were dug up. So I think it's either like a possum maybe. And the board that's chewed up has ants all in it. So I'm thinking it's a possum, or I'm pretty sure it's a possum. Oh, you know what? It might be. But see, I think a rabbit or something like that will be eating the plantation, because there are tons of bunnies around here. There are tons of bunnies, cats, and I would assume possums. Like I've seen a possum, and I don't know if raccoons eat worms. So it's like almost like a nature sanctuary in this area, you could say. There are tons of cats, but they don't hunt because people feed them. So they don't hunt or anything. And we've got lots of bunnies, like you see the bunnies and stuff. So I think it's a possum, and I don't know much about the animals out here and what they eat and stuff. So still irritated though. But yeah, that's what I think it is. And what's doing it is that I'm watering the plant and making the soil nice and moist. So that's what's attracting the ants and the worms, the nice moist soil, because in the dry soil there's no areas torn up. So in the dry soil, you know, where the garden is, like where the watermelons and the cucumbers are, the soil dries out more because I guess because it's out in the sun, like the plants aren't covering up the area and stuff. So hold on.
mouth.
What is it? What is that called?
Called a wizard.
What's it about?
It's about a princess and a man and open it wide.
And a what?
And open it wide. It's really scary. I don't want to go in there.
And a, hold on, slow down. We can't understand what you're saying. And a what?
And it's the opening wide statue.
Oh, okay.
And it's gonna kill me.
Oh, it's opening line statue?
Yeah, it's going to eat us.
It's gonna eat us.
Yeah, we can find that magic carpet was in there.
Oh.
And that's just stolen us.
Oh, wow.
And then,
Okay, well, let's go put it on because I gotta cook, okay?
okay.